Good morning kids and good morning parents. Divya Sapra from MCU Preschool welcoming you all for live Facebook and Instagram session on our school page, that is MCU School. So here we have our teacher Mrs. Jetal Patel and Mrs. Bhavya Shah along with me Divya Sapra and Mrs. Roma Jariwala. We are going to perform yoga and meditation class for kids at MCU International Preschool. So, are we all ready? Yes! Parents, don't forget to put comments in comment box. And if kids want to know more about yoga poses and meditation, so we will be happy to help our kids for yoga session. So, let's start. But don't forget to comment in comment box.
Hello kids, good morning. Roma here. Today we will start with the first activity. Today the yoga pose would be, we'll first do the meditation, the Om pose. We'll meditate ourselves to be calm and happy too. So let's sit in a proper position as ma'am is, just follow your teacher's instruction and just to see to the teachers. Okay, now fold your legs properly. See how ma'am is showing you. The right leg should be folded upwards on the left leg, and then the left leg should be folded on the right leg. Okay, have you come in this position, kids? Yes. Now we will have the mudra position. The mudra, we have to show your index finger. Where is your index finger? Yes. See, just see, ma'am is showing you. The index finger is the first finger, okay? And now the thumb. Where is your thumb? Yes, very nice. So the thumb and the index finger, we just have to put it properly on the same position as ma'am is showing you. Now the rest of your three fingers should be flipped up like a number 3, okay? See, ma'am is showing you like this, how it will be looking, okay? Now you just have to keep your right hand on your right leg and left hand on your left leg. Yes. So, and keep your back straight properly. Yes, now just slowly close your eyes and take a deep breath. Just take a deep breath. And just start saying Om. Slowly release your and exhale. Now again take a deep breath. We'll do this more 4 times. Again take a deep breath. Slowly take a deep breath. From your stomach, just exhale and say Om. Now slowly open your hands and just rub it properly. And just keep it on your eyes. And just pamper your eyes slowly and open it very gently. So, how you feeling? Relaxed? Yes? Yes, doing this meditation we'll feel relaxed and also will be calm from our body. So now we will go to the second pose, that is butterfly pose. Now again come to the back to the normal position. Just keep your legs straight and just feel 2 seconds relax. Okay, just wiggle your legs. Just wiggle your legs. Now we'll go to the second pose. So are you kids ready? Now just fold your legs, and now we have to sit in a position like a butterfly. First, see, ma'am has showing you both the foot should be parallel to your legs. Both the legs should be parallel. Okay. Now you have to hold your both the hands. Both the hands you have to hold to the foot. Okay, and just hold it properly in a tight position so you can do the butterfly pose very nicely and smoothly. We just have to wings your leg like a butterfly, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So like this we will be feeling more relaxed when we are tired of playing and doing this activity, doing this yoga pose. Our legs will feel relaxed. Okay, up, down, up, down. Yes, doing this pose it will help your legs feel relaxed. Up, down, up, down. Just keep your legs from the inside so you can do it very nicely and properly. Yes. Can you see how ma'am is doing? Yes. This way we'll do the butterfly pose. It will be helpful when you are getting tired, when your legs are paining. So you have to do just this yoga pose so you will feel more relaxed. Okay. Now please be relaxed for 2 seconds. Come in your original poses. Fold your legs and just feel relaxed. Now just wiggle your hands. Just wiggle your hands. Yes, up, down, up, down. So your hands also will feel relaxed. Okay. Now we will go to the third pose. You just have to stand on your yoga mat and we will do the tree pose. Okay, the tree pose. You just have to stand straight, joining your legs and your body with your hands. Straight your hands to the body. Okay. Can you see how ma'am is standing? Yes? Okay. So now we will start with the tree pose. Now see, just put your hands up and balance your body. Hands should be straight. Your hand should touch your forehead, and in a joining hands the hand should be in the straight position, and just keep balancing to your body, and the right leg should be on your left leg and it should support your right leg. Just keep balancing, no problem. If you are not getting the balance properly, just again keep your leg down, right leg just come in your relaxed position, and again you have to take your right leg up and do this position. Again you have to do the tree pose. The same position, take your right leg up and again keep balancing and standing on your one leg. Can you see how ma'am are doing? Yes? Okay. Have you completed? Yes? Okay. Now we'll come to the relaxed position again. Yes. Now we will sit down and just feel relaxed. Okay. Now we will going to do the child pose, the kids pose. Yes, are you happy? Are you excited for the kids pose? How it will look? Yes, now we will do the kid pose, the child pose. You just have to sleep like a child. Just follow the ma'am instruction and ma'am will show you how to. You just have to sit on your knees, okay, like this, how ma'am is showing you. Just sit on your knees, folding your legs, and your foot should be on your back side. Are you in your position? Yes. Slowly keep your hands straight and just keep your head down, touching to the ground, your yoga mat, and keep your hands straight so you can just feel relaxed. This is the child pose. Okay, kids? This is the child pose. Now, you just have to take a deep breath inside and just exhale. Okay, now come back to the position. Yes. One more time we will do. Again, sit in the position. Yes. Again, fold your legs and again sit on that knee position. Just sit on your knees. Okay. Then just bend your body from your waist. Just bend your body from your waist and just keep sliding down to the ground and keeping your hands straight and in a child pose. Okay. Just keep your forehead on the ground. Touch your forehead on the ground. Close your eyes while doing this activity. Take a deep breath and exhale. Okay, kids? Now come back to the position. Slowly get up and come back to the position. Fold your legs and sit and just relax for 2 to 3 seconds. Take a deep breath and exhale slowly. So you'll feel more relaxed and more calm. Now we'll go to the fourth pose. That is happy baby pose. The happy baby pose. Kids are always happy. Yes, the kids are always happy and smiling like you all. Okay, kids? So we have to do the happy baby pose. Now you just have to sleep down and just take your legs and just turn around. Ma'am, can you just turn on your left side and right side? Yes, like this. You just have to take your two hands and wiggle it properly. Yes. Now just feel relaxed. Now ma'am will show you in this position. Yes. Just sleep it. Sleep on your back properly. Hold your toes. Hold your toes properly. Yes. The right toes and the left toe properly. And just wiggle it like you are baby happy. Happy baby. Yes. How the happy baby flip? Yes. The baby, the toddlers. Yes. Right side, left side. Right side, left side. Okay. Okay. Now come to the back to the position. Now we are going to do the snake pose, the cobra pose. Sleep on your front side like ma'am is showing you. Your chin should be up, your hand should be joined together, the legs should be together. Just join your legs and hands together. Keep your hand palm on your and just get up on your shoulders. See how ma'am is showing you. And just put your chin towards the sky. Head and chin towards your sky. Yes. Just hold, just keep your body straight and do the cobra pose. This will full stretch your body from your legs to the shoulders. And your chin should towards the sky. Yes. Okay, just relax. Relax, calm down. Take a deep breath and exhale. Now, sit properly to the back to the position. Now, we will have a ball activity, the ball yoga. Yes, kids, have you taken your ball as it was written in the materials? Okay, the ball is here. Yes, just sit properly, just wait a minute. Now we have to sit opposite of your friend or your mother or your family members. Just pass the ball from the right to the left and left to the right. See, ma'am is showing you that will make a circle. Okay, one ma'am is passing to the another ma'am and another ma'am will pass to the other ma'am to make a circle. So, are you getting? Yes? Wow, they will make a waist movement. This is a ball activity. Now, and stretching also be done with the help of a ball. See, ma'am is showing you can do it with your friends, your families and get proper stretching of your hands and body. Okay, so have you completed? Okay, now come back to the position. Now we will have the leg movement. Keep your legs straight. Keep your legs straight. Yes, and just feel relaxed for 2 seconds. Keep your hands aside to the legs. Yes, how ma'am is showing, can you see? Okay, yeah. Now you just have to make your foot from your left to the right. Foot. Left, right. Left, right. Left, right. Left, right. Okay, you have to do this 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now the another exercise for legs only. For your foot, you have to just pressurize on your thumb like moving forward. Forward, backward. Forward, backward. Forward, just stretch it properly. Okay. Now we'll do this activity, the pose for 10 minutes. 10 counts. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you will feel much relaxed while doing this such activity, the stretching part of your legs. Now we will stretch our hands too. So now just stretch your hands moving forward towards your legs and stretch it properly in the sleeping position. Okay, now you have to just flip your hands up, down, up, down. This activity also will do 10 times, 10 counts. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. 5 seconds break. Take a deep breath and come to the back to the folding leg position of yours. Now after 5 seconds, we'll have the neck position. Okay kids? So we'll feel relaxed and calm doing such yoga poses, and it is also healthy for our health, and you'll feel more happy while doing yoga and exercise. Okay, now we'll start with the neck position. We'll make our neck going from right to the left. Okay kids? See, first tilt your head from right to the left. Right, left, right, left. Your shoulder should not move. Only your neck part should be moved from right to the left. Okay? Right, left, right, left. This activity will do 10 times, 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? Relax, feel relaxed. Take a deep breath and exhale slowly. Your back should be straight, sit properly, and now your head will move up, down, up, down, up, down. This activity also will do 10 counts. 1 up, 2 down, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So today we have done all the stretching of our body parts. Now only the last part is our eyes, because due to we have screen time more. Yes kids, due to online watching mobile and everything. So we'll blink our eyes for 10 counts. Just blink your eyes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So always while having a screen time, after the screen time, you just have to blink your eyes for 10 counts. So your eyes will also feel relaxed, and it will give a good vision for your eyes. Okay? So today, have you learned some of the yoga poses which ma'am has shown you today? So I hope you do all the yoga poses at your home properly follow your teacher's instruction. Okay? So now I hand over to Divya ma'am.
Okay kids, do you enjoy today's yoga? Okay. So parents, please don't forget to join us every Saturday at 11:30 a.m. for live session, and don't forget to like our school page. Please follow us on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube. Thank you. Bye. Bye kids.
Bye bye.